Hello everyone, and welcome back to Algorand. Today, I want to show you the architecture of a fully autonomous news agent I built for the agricultural market. This system monitors prices, logistics, and analytics 24/7. Because this is a production-grade system, it is too complex to show in a single workflow. As you can see here, I have broken it down into modular components. So we're going to cover this entire system in a three-part video series. Video 1. Today, we will look at the AgriNews scraper. This is the ingestion engine that finds the data. Video 2. We'll cover the WP News workflow, where the AI acts as an editor and publishes to WordPress. Video 3. We'll look at the Ingestion and Telegram workflows, where we generate AI visuals and broadcast updates to subscribers. So let's get started with part 1, the scraper. Here is the main canvas. As you can see from the notes, we start with ingestion. We're sourcing data from two very different types of websites, so we need two different strategies. On the top branch, we're targeting Agrotochka. This is a standard website, so we can use Jina AI to easily fetch the markdown content. On the bottom branch, we have APK Inform. This site has heavy anti-bot protections. To get around this, we use the Bright Data node. This rotates our IP and manages browser fingerprinting, ensuring we never get blocked. We then normalize all the dates from both sources into a standard ISO format so we can process them together. Once we have the raw data, we move to categorization. We don't want to scrape everything, only what matters. I use a JavaScript node to scan the titles for specific keywords like wheat, corn, or logistics. If an article matches a category, it gets tagged with an ID. If not, we drop it right here. Next is the deduplication engine. This is critical for saving money on AI credits. We check every URL against our internal n8n database. Using this merge node, we filter out any URL we have seen before. We strictly pass only new, unique news items to the next stage. Now that we have clean, unique URLs, we need to scrape the full article text. Instead of cluttering this main canvas with complex scraping logic, we use a switch node for smart routing. Depending on the category, wheat, corn, barley, we route the data to a specific path. These paths lead to sub-workflows. Inside these sub-workflows, as noted here in section 5, is where the heavy lifting happens. We check the source again. We perform a deep scrape to get the body text. We use Google Translate to convert Russian text to English, and we clean up the formatting. By offloading this to a sub-workflow, our main dashboard remains clean and easy to monitor. Finally, the sub-workflows return the clean translated text back to this main canvas. We aggregate all the items into a single list and pass them to the final node, call Algorand Agro WP News. This is where the scraper job ends. We have successfully found, filtered, and cleaned the data. Now, we are handing it off to the publisher workflow to handle the AI writing and WordPress posting. And that is how we built the ingestion engine. In the next video, we'll go inside that final node and see how the WordPress publisher uses generative AI to write SEO-optimized articles based on this data. If you found this helpful, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss part 2. Peace on.